everyone, welcome to Group 5's theory, the globally hand hygiene theory. Because of this health crisis we're experiencing, we come up into this theory. Assumptions of theory. In the healthcare setting, the single most effective way to prevent the spread of infection is consistently performing hand hygiene. Facilities have access to hand hygiene products and hand hygiene stations, plus updated technological processes, guidelines, and observations. Additionally, new protocols, programs, and products are continuously developed to help raise awareness and increase compliance with the simple but critical act of hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is healthcare involves not only washing hands with soap and water, but also the use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. While soap and water offer a reliable solution for patients, it is not always feasible for all patients at all times. Purpose of the theory. The main medical purpose of washing hands is to cleanse the hands from pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, or other microorganisms and chemicals which can cause harm. This is especially important for people who handle food or work in the medical field, but also an important practice for the general public. Another purpose is to advocate everyone to be conscious in their health, to be aware about cleanliness, to give idea to everyone that hand hygiene is important, especially this pandemic, and lastly, to promote health and prevent illness. Focus of the theory. First, always wash your hands before and after preparing food. It is important to wash your hands with soap before eating to remove germs, and it is also a simple and effective method to prevent infection. Next, treating wounds or caring for a sick person. In treating sick person or cleaning or dressing on a wound, hand washing is very important precaution in handling a patient. Before going to procedure, washing is a must because it minimizes the bacteria and microorganisms and also protect the safety of the nurse and the patient. After the procedure, hand washing also must be done to stop the spreading of bacteria and microorganisms. Another, touching an animal feed or animal waste. It is essential to wash hands with soap and water after petting, feeding, handling, or having any other contact with animals, their living quarters, or their waste, to decrease the possibility of contracting a zoonotic disease, a disease transmitted between animals and humans. Next one is coughing and sneezing. Covering coughs and sneezes and washing hands are especially important for infection control measures in healthcare settings, such as emergency departments, doctors' offices, and clinics. To help stop the spread of germs, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Throw used tissues in the trash. Next is using the toilet, changing a diaper, or cleaning up a child who has used the toilet. To maintain the cleanliness of the toilet, it is important to clean the toilet with Clorox to remove the microorganisms that may stay inside the toilet and keep other users' safety. After cleaning, hand washing is a must to remove any excess germs when cleaning and to protect the child and yourself.
When following the hand washing steps, all soaps are equally effective at removing disease-causing germs. Antibacterial soap is unnecessary and does not offer an advantage over regular soap. Hand washing is only one part of hand hygiene. Looking after your skin generally is important as your skin is your most effective barrier against infection.
Last one, changing covers of table and sofa. Microorganisms are found everywhere including sofa and table. Changing the covers of table and sofa, it reduces the risk of infection and the risk of transmission of microorganisms by maintaining a clean environment. The advantage and disadvantage of the theory. First, the advantage of the theory. It helps to prevent the spread of virus, especially during the health crisis, reduces the risk of getting other easily spread infections, help to prevent the transmission of pathogens such as a bacterial, viral, and fungus, helps to keep everyone safe, may give a good perception about health, helps a person being conscious about hygiene. Disadvantage of the theory. First, when using hand sanitizers, that does not remove all the visible dirt. Second, every time you hand wash, the skin loses moisture and protective layer is stripped away. Third, disadvantage of using hand sanitizers contains high alcohol liquid substances which are flammable. Therefore, individuals should maintain hand sanitizers away from flames, for example, candles and gas appliances. And lastly, another disadvantage of this is during this pandemic. You cannot assure that everyone is doing this simple hygiene. Not everyone are knowledgeable enough about the advantage of the hand hygiene. And that's all for theory. Thanks for watching!